Gardening can be tough when your tools aren't up for the job. Flimsy, uncomfortable tools slow you down and make gardening a chore. What you need is a set that works as hard as you do every step of the way. This 3-piece gardening gift set features a trowel, hand fork, and transplanter, each crafted from sturdy materials with lightweight, non-slip handles designed to reduce hand fatigue. Rust-resistant and built to last, these tools easily handle digging into tough soil, loosening and aerating compacted ground, and carefully transplanting seedlings or delicate plants without breaking or wearing out. Compact and easy to store, this set is perfect for home gardeners, patio growers, and anyone who loves gardening with care. Give the gift of effortless gardening with the 3-piece gardening gift set from Garden Master, because great gardens start with great tools.